MindMap AI is the latest AI software that's been making waves, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you've been searching for a tool that's just been released and wondering whether it's worth your time, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the answers. First, MindMap AI is designed to help you visualize complex information and structure your thoughts in a more organized way. It's not just for brainstorming. It's a versatile tool that can be used for planning, project management, content creation, and more. This AI-powered mind mapping software can take your ideas and turn them into easily digestible interactive maps that help with clarity and decision-making. One of the most impressive things about MindMap AI is its natural language processing capabilities. You don't have to spend time manually inputting every piece of data into the system. Instead, you can simply describe your thoughts or ideas in plain language, and the AI will automatically organize and categorize them. This saves you a huge amount of time and effort, allowing you to focus on the big picture. Another standout feature is its real-time collaboration tools. If you work with a team, you'll love how easy it is to share and edit mind maps. You can invite team members, assign tasks, and track progress directly within the platform. This level of collaboration is a game changer for anyone working on group projects or brainstorming sessions, making it easier to communicate ideas and ensure everyone is on the same page. In terms of customization, MindMap AI offers a wide range of templates and styles to help you tailor your mind maps to your specific needs. Whether you're working on a business plan, a creative project, or a study session, you'll find a template that works for you. You can also customize the layout, colors, and design elements to match your personal or company brand, which is a nice touch for professional users. What's even better is that MindMap AI integrates seamlessly with other tools you probably already use. Whether it's Google Drive, Trello, or Slack, you can easily sync your mind maps with other platforms to streamline your workflow. This ensures that you don't have to switch between different tools, saving you time and helping you stay productive. Now let's talk about the AI itself. The AI in MindMap doesn't just help organize data, it actively learns from your behavior and preferences over time. This means that the more you use it, the smarter it gets, offering more accurate suggestions and optimizations to improve your workflow. If you've ever used an AI tool that feels clunky or disconnected, MindMap AI will feel like a breath of fresh air. The more you use it, the more intuitive it becomes. Another key thing you need to know is the ease of use. Unlike some AI tools that have a steep learning curve, MindMap AI is incredibly user-friendly. Even if you've never used a mind mapping tool before, you'll be able to jump right in and start creating professional-looking maps in minutes. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned professionals alike. Finally, I know you're wondering, is it worth the investment? MindMap AI offers a free trial, so you can test it out and see if it fits your needs without any commitment. And honestly, after trying thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that this is one of the few that actually delivers on its promises. If you're curious, you can try MindMap AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Trust me, it's worth exploring, and you can see for yourself how it stacks up against other mind mapping tools on the market. I've also put together a list of my recommended AI software in the description, after having tried and tested thousands of options. These tools are the best of the best, and I know they'll help you level up your productivity, just like they've helped me. Don't miss out. Try MindMap AI and the other top tools today and see how they can transform the way you work.